Ternary operators are conditional operators. It is used to execute our code based on the condition. Okay, if it satisfies the condition means the true part will work. If it's not satisfied the condition means the else part will work. Okay, and the ternary operators are shorthand for if else statement. We already learned about if else statement, but in this video we'll quickly explore about if else statement. Okay, for that I am creating on a, after that if else statement we can change this to ternary operator. Okay, and declaring one variable with age. Okay, now I am entering the value is 17. I'm going to write on if statement. If age greater than or equal to 18 means I'm writing console.log. So if its age is greater than 18 means I am printing it as a adult. Okay, after that I'm going to add else statement. Else console.log not adult. Okay, so if I click save you can see not adult is printed because the age is 17, so 17 is not greater than 18, so the else statement will work. Okay, so if I change this value into 18 you can see adult is printed. So if I change this to 20 or whatever, so the true statement will work. If it's not satisfied the condition means the else part will work. Okay, similarly we'll change this into ternary operator. Okay, for ternary operator the syntax is first it will check the condition. Okay, we need to give the condition. If it satisfied the condition means expression 1 will work. If it's not satisfied the condition means expression 2 will work. Okay, so similarly, so satisfy the condition means this one will work. If it's not satisfied the condition means else part will work. Okay, now I change our example using ternary operator. So age greater than or equal to 18 means it will print adult. Okay, else log not adult will print. Okay, now I comment our if else statement. I execute the code. You can see adult is printed because our age is 20. So 20 is greater than 18. So the true part will work. Okay, now I am change this value into 15. If I click save, so here 15 greater than or equal to 18. So it is a false. So the else part will work. So that's it, guys. So ternary operator is a simple one. It's a replacement of if else statement. So if satisfied the condition means expression one will work. If it's not satisfied the condition means expression 2 will work. Now we are going to explore about nested if else statement. Okay, so nested if else statements are used to perform more conditions. Okay, inside if it starts with the first condition means inside the first condition we can check second condition. So if it starts with the second condition means it will print that one, else it will go to the next statement. Okay, for that I will show you one quick example so you can understand this better. So for that I'm creating one variable is called number equal to 10. I'm giving the value is 10. So here I am going to add my if statement. If number modulo 2 equal to 0, this is my first condition. Okay, which satisfies the condition means it will print even number. I'm going to add my second condition. Else, for second condition we need to add else if. Okay, if you add else if means we need to give the condition if number greater than 0. So if the number is greater than 0 means I'm going to do one more console.log. It's a positive number. Positive number. If it's not satisfied the both condition means it will directly print my final else statement. Here I'm going to add a console.log negative number. Okay, 1 second. So in this condition, you can see first it will check this condition. Okay, for example here number is 10. This is a model operator by 2, so it will return the remainder, correct? So if 10 modulo 2 it will return the remainder as 0. So 0 equal to 0, so it satisfies the condition, so our first statement will print. Okay, so here you can see even number is printed. So if this is not this condition is not satisfied means it will go to the second condition. So here the number is greater than 0, so if it's correct means it will print. Okay, in case it is not correct means it will go to else statement. Okay, it will go one by one only. Okay, so I will change this number into -10. Okay, -10. If you click the save means here also you can see this is satisfied, so it's even number only printed. So now I am changing this to 11. So here you can see this condition will fail because that remainder, we will get the remainder as a 1. So 1 not equal to 0. So this condition will fail. So it goes into our else statement. I mean else if statement. So here the number here we will get the number as a 1. So 1 greater than 0. So it's satisfied. I mean here we will get the 11. So 11 greater than 0. So it will print the positive number. Okay, now I am changing this to -11. So if I click save, so this one will fail, correct, because it's 11, so we will not get a reminder as a 0. So here it will go, here we are checking number is greater than 0, correct, but here we added a negative number, so it's not satisfied the condition, so it definitely go to the else statement, final else statement. Okay, so negative number is printed. So we'll execute this using ternary operator. Okay, for that I am typing number. So number modulo 2 triple equal to 0. So if it satisfied the condition means I'm just copying this console. If that's the condition means even number will print. Else, inside that else we are having two things, correct. So I am using this open and close bracket. So inside that bracket we can write our condition. After that it will check number is greater than 0. So if it number is greater than 0 means the positive number will print. I'm copying this console again. Okay, if it's not satisfied the condition means negative number will print, correct? Negative number will print. So I am commenting this if else statement. So if I click save, you can see the negative number is printed because the same condition only. So first it will check this scenario. Okay, if it satisfy the condition means it will print this, else it will goes to the else part similarly. Okay, similarly like here. So here our scenario, so this is failed, so it's directly go to the else part. So else part we are checking one more conditions, number is greater than 0. So if it's greater than 0 means positive number print, else negative number will print, correct. So in our case it's a negative number, so negative number is printing. Okay, if I remove that negative, you can see the positive number is printed. Similarly it will check the remainder is 0. Okay, if it's 0 means this will go to first statement, else it will goes to the else statement. So here we added one more condition, right? So if it's a positive number or like that we are checking. So yeah, in our case the number is positive number, so positive number is printed. So if I change this to 10 means you can see, so 10 modulo 2, so we are getting the remainder as a 0. So this satisfied the first condition. So this one is working. So you can see the even number is printing. Yeah, this is a small, I mean, we can reduce some more codes compared to this, but you can just imagine, guys, if you are writing a code, but in future some other developer may work on your code. So that time they will get more confused if you are using nested ternary operator. So it's cause most readable issue. So similarly you can see I can easily understand this code, but here I it's very a little bit difficult to understand this code, right? So this is our small example only, but if you are using real time codes, that condition will be more condition, more codes you are going to add inside these areas. So it will cause more issue in readability. So my suggestion is you can use simple if else statement only for this type of drilling down multiple conditions. Okay, I hope you understand this video. If you have any feedback or suggestion, feel free to post it in the comments below. Thank you.